Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete photos on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the photo you want to delete. Now tap on the three dots of the post and tap delete. And tap delete for confirmation. And that's how you can delete photos from Instagram. If you want to delete multiple photos on Instagram, you have to do it individually. There are no ways to delete multiple photos at once. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.